Hey guys, Crispy Vids back with another unboxing. So here today we've got a Karcher SC3 Easyfix premium steam cleaner. This is pretty mid of the range for the Karcher steam cleaners. So it's not as good as the SC5, but it's got a few upgrades from the SC1 and the SC2. This is retails for 429 Australian dollars. It can be bought a bit cheaper on sale from certain places. The benefits of this model is it's got really short heat up time, like it only takes 30 seconds to warm up. It's got an automatic inbuilt descaler, and it also allows you to refill through the top here without having to take the descaling cartridge out or turn the machine off, so you can literally just permanently keep going. It just takes 30 seconds to warm up and you can just keep refilling without having any waiting time. So let's just flick the box around and have a look with a few things. It comes with a hand nozzle, a microfiber cover for the hand nozzle so that you can do gentle stuff. Comes with a detail nozzle, comes with a little round brush, obviously the descaling cartridge, which is also like the cap for it, and the Easyfix set. It comes with the floor nozzle, one microfiber floor cloth. Now I actually ordered another pack which includes two more, so I've got 3 for doing big floors and 2 of the Easyfix extension tubes. So the Easyfix floor nozzle is shown just here. It has the Easyfix microfiber cover, and you can literally just stand on that where that little footprint mark there is and pull the whole hose and nozzle up, and it just tears off because it's just Velcro. You can see it just there. So no dirt contact. It's got really good cleaning technology. Apparently it can kill, says up in the corner just here, about 99.99% of household bacteria. It's got a little asterisk there. So it's got the automatic descaling technology that we spoke of. It's got short heat up time of 30 seconds, uninterrupted free cleaning, which is refilling through the top like we spoke about. It's got a child safety lock, and this one also has a integrated on-off switch, which some of them don't have. So let's get into this Karcher steam cleaner and have a look at it, hey? We'll just open the box. So inside, it's pretty light too. It's only about 4-point-something kilos. So it's not a very heavy unit. Weight without the accessories is 3.1, and with, as it sits here, it's about 5 kilos, just to give you an idea. So it comes with your instruction manual telling you how to do everything. Pretty basic sort of manual. I've got the little nozzles here, just there, so your little detail brush that goes on that. What else have we got in here? We've got the Easyfix floor microfiber thing, and there's the little footstep we were talking about, so you can just press down and rip. That is the microfiber cover for the hand piece, the hand nozzle, and you can use the hand nozzle with or without that, but those bristles are quite stiff. So if you're doing something delicate, you just want to slip that over and be a bit more delicate on your stuff. What else have we got in here? We've got the Easyfix floor head. So that's where the microfiber pad sticks to, all the way around the edges there. We've got the descaling cartridge. I understand you can purchase more of these. We've got what else have we got in here? We've got the wheels to the machine separately. You must have to just push those on. We've got the 2 extension pieces with the Easyfix attachment. There's the other one, same thing. And this hose and lead are attached to this, so we'll just get the box out of the way. Okay, so there's your Easyfix nozzle. You've got a couple of, so that's a lock there, so it can't be pushed. And then you've got half steam, and then you've got full steam, and the Easyfix attachment just there. So it's a pretty, it's not a very long hose, but it'll be long enough to do what you need to do because the unit's so light, it'll just pull along. And here we have the unit. So you can see there, this model has a reset button, an on switch and an off switch. So a lot of them don't have that, or some of them don't have that, the lower models. We'll just pop these wheels on. Just slip straight in. There we go. And you can see inside the unit there. Doesn't look like it holds a massive amount of water, but this model here, you're able to just keep going. And you just get the little, there's also the little wheel here, which is for the front swivel. So we'll just pop that in, and that allows it to swivel around really easily. We'll get the cartridge out. So there's the cartridge just there, and that literally just slips in. And you can see that there's a gap, those little grooves all the way around there. So once you pop that in, you can still just pour water straight into here, and it'll go into the unit and fill up. So that's pretty much it. This little nozzle here that we were looking at before. So you can use that just like that to blast anything you want, really, grout or anything. Or you can put that little nozzle there on and blast your grout and also agitate it at the same time. Pretty much is really all there is to know about the SC3 at the moment. That everything's O-ring sealed for the steam, and Easyfix is literally just straight on like that. So there you have it, guys. That's the Karcher SC3 Easyfix. I hope that helped anyone who just wanted to see what the physical size of one is, all the components that's in the box and everything like that. And I hope this lives up to its expectations. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.